Microneedling or mesotherapy? Let's find out what's best for you. Hi, this is Anna from Vienna Care, and today we will go through everything you need to know about the difference between mesotherapy and microneedling. Although both use needles, they're definitely not the same procedure. Let's delve a little deeper into each procedure to find out how to use them and when to use them. If you want to treat scarring caused by acne, stretch marks, or aging, microneedling would be your best choice. Microneedling causes micro damage at the topmost layers of your skin. The skin responds by renewing skin cell tissue and by increasing collagen production, which renews skin tone and texture. Microneedling is done using a tool that has multiple tiny needles. The tool is moved gently over the skin, causing tiny little pricks in the topmost layer of the skin. Microneedling can be done using a Hydra pen, a Hydra stamp, a Hydra roller, or a Derma pen. If you are concerned about dull and dehydrated skin, or want to target signs of aging, mesotherapy is the way to go. Mesotherapy heals the skin from within using skin boosters. A needle is injected directly into the dermis to deliver active ingredients. Mesotherapy is best done with a needle, but can also be done using an easy injector outfitted with a needle tip. Let's discuss some of the main differences between microneedling and mesotherapy. Firstly, the injection depth differs. Microneedling is done at the level of the epidermis with very shallow punctures at a depth of 0.25 to 2.5 millimeters. Microneedling is done at the dermis at the depth of 1.5 to 6 millimeters. Also, whilst mesotherapy needs a serum or a skin booster that is injected into the skin, microneedling can be done without applying any serum to the skin. In fact, the needles already stimulate the skin to renew and regenerate. We often get asked, can I microneedle the skin booster? The answer is yes, you can, but the effects will be quite different compared to mesotherapy. You can apply skin boosters directly to your skin and use a microneedling tool to help them penetrate better, but the penetration won't be as deep compared to mesotherapy. Some people have noticed great results when microneedling certain skin boosters. Please keep in mind that certain skin boosters were designed for mesotherapy specifically, whereas others were made from microneedling, such as BB Glow and Dr. Drawing, so make sure to always check the product manuals. So we often get questions on our YouTube accounts about microneedling, mesotherapy, and skin boosters, so we thought we'd pick out a few and answer them for you today. Alright, so here we have a question from Dee, and she is asking, how much does that product spread out once it's under the skin, and can you microneedle with that product? She's asking this about Touch BR Skin Booster, and the answer is yes, you can microneedle with Touch BR Skin Booster, just with any other skin booster. But as mentioned before, the results will not be the same as with mesotherapy. Also, after injecting the product, it will not really spread out and go all over the place. It will just dissolve slowly into your skin to give all of the nutrients. Okay, so here we got a question from Carla Littler about Touch BR Skin Booster as well. And she says, thank you for the great vid. Thank you, Carla. And she asks, is one vial enough for one treatment? And if it's for microneedling and or the easy injector? Yes, one vial is perfect for one treatment, and you can use it with microneedling, with easy injector, or with mesotherapy, just like any other skin booster. So here we have a question from Sherry Zumo, and it's a question to Chris on his latest video. And she says, thank you for this was so helpful. Will this make me beautiful like you? I'm assuming she's talking about Chris. So Sherry, try it out and let us know. We're curious to see that as well. So next up, we have a question about Purenex, another skin booster. And it's the question from Marie Jose Pitre. And she's asking whether skin boosters used in meso be microneedled as well instead. Answer is yes, you can, but the results will be different from mesotherapy because the product goes less deep. So finally, we have a question from 77, and they're asking what's the difference between mesotherapy and microneedling machines? They say it seems very similar. Well, hopefully by the time you're watching at this point in the video, you already know what the difference is between mesotherapy and microneedling. Let us know in the comments if you have any more questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And thank you for watching today. See you next time.